100,000 people pass through there every day to get to their trains, to get home, to get to work. And some people, that's the first time they come to Chicago is through Amtrak. The Great Hall in that space had deterioration for years. It had plaster falling. It had protective netting. Areas were often closed out when it rained because of the leaks. And that's why we were hired to do that job. And I served as the project executive to get through that. And during the course of the job, the area was largely enclosed, and it was above a protective deck. There was plastic, there were swing stages, there was scaffold. So visitors and the owner and other people as they went through there never had a real vision of what we were doing. And for me to be able to step back when we removed that first stairwell of scaffold and people to walk by that had maybe been through there for 30 years and look up with a sense of wow at what had been done. The lighting was there. The paint was what was there originally. And it was just completely repaired for them. And watching their face was something that I'll remember forever. And as we went through the job, you had the next stair that was exposed. You had the concourse that was exposed. Then you had the breezeway. And it came to an end when we were removing and doing the grand unveiling in the hall. And it coincided with, their lighting of their Christmas tree. They had a 40-foot Christmas tree in there. And to watch all these people, come in there and look up and have just a sense of amazement about what had been done because they never had a view because we did everything behind a screen was something I'll cherish from that job when I look back on it.